Okoni chendo makamano bende geto jiwo yuto mawuok e taka. Jalup Governor County ma Mombasa Francis Toya komachielo koni gi kore matiyo kanyakla gi riwruoge kachiel kod pinje mopogore opogore maduoko chien midhiero mar taka Mombasa.
We as USAID mostly engage in Kenya in terms of environment and conservation issues, water issues and others, but this is our first foray into the plastics challenge globally. There are not too many programs that we have in Africa yet, and so this was just an excellent opportunity to try something new. And for us, prioritizing informal settlements that informal settlements are a big priority. Engaging youth is a big priority, so this was just an amazing opportunity to partner with other organizations to try and engage youth and in creating solutions for the immense global challenge that are plastics.
Ni jukumu letu sote. It is our responsibility to make Mombasa clean. All of us. As government will do our part, but we expect the citizens also will do.